Candida is a fungus that causes a common infection called candidiasis. This infection can affect your skin, nails, organs, genitalia, throat, blood, and mouth. Both men and women can contract this infection, but women are more likely affected. Any healthy organism has this fungus in balanced proportions. When the Candida levels are out of balance, however, toxins are released into your bloodstream. This can cause a number of symptoms that could affect your health. Antibiotics, stress, and eating a lot of processed sugars and carbs can unbalance the amount of Candida in your blood, which can lead to these problems. Some of the primary signs include food allergies, irritability, yeast infections, an urge for sugar, inability to pay attention, swelling or diarrhea, fatigue, headaches, a thick white coating on your tongue, depression, skin conditions like eczema, acne, immune system abnormalities. Due to its widespread symptoms, candidiasis is not always simple to diagnose. Paying attention to how you feel, keeping an eye out for the symptoms, and getting the required tests done are the simplest ways to diagnose it. There is one test you can perform to determine if you have candidiasis, and a lot of people think it is quite reliable. The spit test is simple to do and is commonly used. Here's what you should do. When you first wake up in the morning, before consuming breakfast, spit saliva into a glass cup containing water. Keep an eye on the cup for 30 to 60 minutes. You may have candidiasis if your saliva mixes with the water, settles to the bottom of the cup, or if you notice flecks of saliva becoming blurry in the water. You might be wondering how this test works. Candidiasis starts in the colon and slowly spreads to the small intestine, stomach, esophagus, and mouth. If it gets to this stage and gets into your mouth, your tongue and maybe even the inside of your cheeks will get a thick white coating. Because it is heavier than water, it sinks into a cup when spitting into it. However, because other factors, such as allergies, milk, or dehydration, can affect the test results, we can't always rely on them. Always take into account the other symptoms, and if you need to, see a doctor who can give you a more accurate diagnosis. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe for more advice and recipes.